So now we'll compare the ionic radius of the following sets of elements given, and the first set is lithium plus, lithium neutral, and that means elemental form, and lithium minus. So ionic radius is nothing but it is a type of atomic radius. So we know that ionic radius is inversely proportional to the effective nuclear charge, and we also know that effective nuclear charge is directly proportional to positive charge and inversely proportional to negative charge. So therefore ionic radius is directly proportional to negative charge and inversely proportional to positive charge. With this relation we can relate that when the negative charge of the element increases, ionic radius increases. So among these three, we can also observe that the elements here is of the same type, that is lithium. So we can directly start comparing the charges. Among these three species, lithium minus is the one with the most negative charge, so this has the most ionic radius. Then comes the neutral, then positive lithium, lithium plus. So since the positive charge increases, the ionic radius decreases. This is the relation we can derive. This is one of the simple question. So starting with the second one, if we see the difference between the first one and the second one is the second one contains elements of different types. They are not the same type. Sulfur, argon, calcium, potassium and chlorine. But if you observe carefully, they are of isoelectronic species. What is isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species is nothing but the number of electrons will be equal. So if you compare the number of electrons in these species, you can see that the number of electrons are same, that is 18 electrons. So now we don't want to bother about the type of element or type of species we have. We can directly compare the charges. So the most negative charge comes first, then comes chlorine minus, then comes argon because it is neutral, then potassium, then calcium. Here also the positive charge increases and the ionic radius decreases because ionic radius is directly proportional to negative charge and inversely proportional to positive charge.